In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable POP and IMAP in Gmail. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what each option means, and a few tips so you can choose the setup that works best for you. IMAP is recommended for most people because it keeps your inbox and folders synced across all your devices. POP is optional and is better if you only want your mail on a single device. Start by opening mail.google.com in your browser and signing in to your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. Click it, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Select the one labeled Forwarding and POP IMAP. Let's enable IMAP first, since that's the best choice for staying in sync everywhere. In the IMAP Access section, choose Enable IMAP. This allows your email app, like Outlook, Apple Mail, or Thunderbird, to mirror what you see in Gmail. If you want, you can fine-tune IMAP behavior here. For example, you can limit how many messages are visible per folder to improve performance on older devices, and you can adjust Auto Expunge if you prefer your Mail app rather than Gmail to handle message deletions. If you're unsure, the default IMAP settings work well for most users. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to apply your IMAP settings. If you also want to enable PULP, or if you prefer PULP for a single device setup, stay on the same Forwarding and POP IMAP tab and look for the POP download section. Here you can choose Enable POP for all mail to download your entire mailbox, or Enable POP for mail that arrives from now on if you only want new messages going forward. Next, decide what Gmail should do after your messages are accessed with PUP. You can keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, mark it as read, archive it to keep your inbox tidy, or delete Gmail's copy. Be cautious with the delete option. Once messages are pulled to your device and removed from Gmail, they won't be available on the web or other devices. When you've chosen your preferences, scroll down and click Save Changes again. A few important notes before we wrap up. IMAP is the best fit if you check email on multiple devices. POP is suited to a single computer or app. If you use two-step verification, some email clients will require an app password. Also, Google no longer supports less secure apps, so modern clients should use OAuth or an app password. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more Gmail tips and tutorials.